start of week 7, and I'm going to put the trailer together and yeah, hopefully go for a little squid. It's a little breezy this morning, a bit more than I thought it was going to be, but you never know unless you give it a crack, so I am going to give it a crack. Chuck the trailer together, chuck some rods together and see how we go. Looking at the water out there, it's not too bad. Chuck all this shit in. If anything, it's given me practice on how to put the trailer together. Not that I cheated, but other than having the boat already off the roof, 13 minutes and 58 seconds. So yeah, I did it a bit of a different way that time. Yeah, definitely getting quicker at it, knowing which pin goes where. I can easily put the trailer together now in probably 5 minutes. But yeah, it's just putting all the other shit in here. Hopefully this wind holds off. We've got till about lunchtime. Yeah, I'll rig up some rods, chuck some little, what do you call those things? Squid jigs on them, and then see what we can do. Keep going. Yeah, that'll do ya. I'll get it off. Hang on.
2. Ah! I feel like you sabotaged me. Or not.
Colder out down here.
Yeah, a little bit. Although my feet are kind of numb now, so.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Squid on.
It's a good one too.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yep, get all your ink out, mate.
Oh! Holy shit.
Oh shit. Oh, fucking hell.
Awesome. Don't care, mate, you squidded me.
Oh, don't face me. He's still got ink in there, I can see it. Yeah, buddy.
Holy
Oh shit.
Oh shit ball.
That couldn't have gone more places if it tried.
Fuck, it's all over. I don't care though.
Try not to get ink everywhere this time, eh?
Not as big as the last one. But
Uh-oh.
he hasn't inked yet.
Ah!
Shit.
He got me!
Oh, I did too. Not bad.
Oh.
Nice. 2. Jets 2. Kelly
Neil.
0. I'm pretty sure I stole your first one.
You've got ink in your beard.
Yeah, I got ink
in your
everywhere.
mo.
It's good.
You good there?
Like a cowboy. Big Colin. Is that number 3?
Yeah.
You guys clear near the water just in case. Let's go.
Yep.
Just got him.
Got him.
Sweet. 3. Oh well, that was the best executed fishing plan we've done to date. We've got
You've done.
3 squid. One's pretty decent.
Pretty happy with our haul.
Yeah, 3 squid is good enough for us. It's a couple of feeds. That big one will do us. And the big one, he spat out this, which I think's half a little leather jacket. So he had that in his grip. Girls just jigging. I said 2 to the left, 1 to the right. You're doing all rights. Left, left, and then a right. That's it. Yeah, they all took like a pink jig, which I don't really think I've caught anything with before. And we missed one at the boat. So yeah, I was going to be happy with 1, but 3 was the aim, and 3 we got. So yeah, we're just going to putt on in. We're only just well, there's the moorings for the bigger boats and whatever. Just in a couple of meters of water, just drifting around. We'll putt on in. I'm going to cook.
Clean all this freaking ink.
Yeah, the big fella just fully ejaculated everywhere. Yeah, just gonna have a cooked brunch. Breakfast for lunch.
Brunch.
Yeah, that's it. Sweet. Which is a good thing. All cleaned. These are the tables that they have down the boat ramp sort of thing. It's pretty bloody good. Good idea. Hit the old button and away you go. Yeah. Yeah. Boat's all cleaned. Now for some brekkie. Brunch. Lunch. Went a bit full on with the old bacon. I'm pretty hungry. Picked it right actually. The wind has just started to come in. So I just finished cleaning the boat. And yeah, it was supposed to come in about midday. At 12:25. So yeah, weatherman was onto it for once. I was a bit hesitant. I was like, oh, it's pretty good weather. Should just be staying out here. But 3 squid was good, so just popped on in. Oh, yep. Cheers to a successful slaying mission.
Finally for Jed.
Yay.
He did good.
Hunter-gatherer. Just a hunter. Fuck the gathering.
He did good.
Yeah, the old wind's definitely come in now. That's the old little jig that did the damage today. Pink was the colour today. Just wondering if I should pack up the boat now, but I think I'll leave it till the morning. You see our stone still in here?
Yeah.
Still stuck in nowhere. Cheers.
Cheers to the squid slayer.
Squid. Yay. Oh, that's me. Yeah, we are out of here tomorrow morning and then heading to Horrocks. We're going to go into Big Lagoon. But yeah, the weather's looking a bit how you going the next couple of days. So yeah.
Big Lagoon for next year and spend like a good week out there or something. Sweet spot.
1 or 2 weeks, I think. With the new tinny. So tonight's dinner, squid is on the menu. Boom. I'm just going to use this coating mix, but I'm going to add a bit of pepper and salt. And just like that. You can put a bit more coating if you want, but I think these would be pretty good. Chuck that back in the fridge and you're basically good to go. Crowd hunting moment, this one. Probably be 10 minutes of this video just on this one fucking squid. Yeah, he caught a squid. Tonight we are serving squid with salad and a little side of sauce there. Caught by me.
Thank you.
It's all yours. Enjoy. There's even a few little flaps in there if you enjoy.
Sounds dodgy.
Maybe. This morning, scrambled eggs.
Turning into a food vlog.
My favourite.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I do enjoy it, but I think just like the standard fried eggs and bacon might be my favourite.
Oh. There you go.
I do enjoy it. Nothing wrong with a good scramble.
Yeah, I thought I was cooking.
What are you whinging about?
Yeah, we'll have some brekkie, get sorted and go for a bit of a drive. The wind's died down, so we are going to go and have a look at Little Bay. So I might take a towel and me snorkeling gear and have a bit of a look around. It's going to be pretty cold. I don't have a wetsuit, so it's just a rashy and shorts. Didn't even bring my weight belt. I'm not much of a spearman. Well, this is Little Bay. It's a pretty distinctive reef. It runs along there and it goes out a bit wider out there, and then down around there is the actual bay area. I might chuck my snorkel on. There's a little lagoon right at the end of the breakers there. Wouldn't mind chucking my head in there, see if there's anything around. And before this wind picks up, and then move that way if the wind gets a little bit heavier. So out the back over there is not really protected. So I'll chuck my flippers on. Never know, there might be a couple of crays hanging around. I reckon it'd get fairly peppered, this area though. I can see a cray pot float out the back there. So yeah, anyway, chuck my gear on and go have a look. Bay. It's pretty good. The wind's come in again, and it's blowing its head off. But yeah, it's one of those places I think would be great in a lovely day. But we've got big tides, or bigger tides at the moment, and pretty decent swell. So it was just weed everywhere. Yeah, managed to find a couple little crays. One of them was probably borderline size, but it wasn't worth the risk. I didn't have me gauge on me. So yeah, good fun. Bit of exercise. Yeah.
There's so much Vaseline in your mouth.
Is it?
Stuck together.
I was getting worried. I thought this dude was coming up to me to chat to me when I just got out of the water. And I could see in my professional vision sort of thing, just fucking chunks of shit everywhere. And I'm gonna go, I was trying to get it all out in a hurry. Because I thought, oh, this guy wants to come and talk to me and he's gonna be like, oh, you got fucking snot in your nose. So I was quickly trying to get it out and it all went into my mustache. And it sort of styles it. You're gonna get it going.
Lovely.
When we got to the Montebellos, on the beach is a sign. This island is radioactive. Do not spend more than 2 hours ashore.
This morning we're just out the front of Horrocks here. There's a few cray pots and stuff out here, so I'm just going to zigzag my way along the reef, out around the back there, and then come in this way. Probably take me an hour or so. Just come on, whatever. Nothing's ever an hour. Mustache is ready, and I forget what spearfishing failed mission this is.
You can't say it's a failed mission before it even starts. It's not really setting it up though.
Nah. You set your standards low. Yeah, I went to go for a dive this morning and just popped down here. As you can see, we've got a bit of weather coming in. I don't think it's worth it. So yeah, we're about to get rained on pretty hard, so it is what it is. Yeah, just come down for a bit of a wander. Love watching storms roll in. awesome. Well, the weather is still shithouse McShithouse. Yeah, I hate being confined to a caravan, but Kel's getting a bit of work done, getting a thing on, and just having some cuppers. Well, I thought I'd film a lovely sunset. Our last night on the road for a few weeks, but sun's gone behind the clouds and it's raining. Fucking hell. So yeah, we got rain for the next couple of days. So yeah, we're booking it home tomorrow. We're supposed to spend a couple of days at Greenhead, just north of Greenhead, on a beach camp, which is supposed to be pretty cool. But the wind's supposed to be terrible, 35 to 45 kilometers an hour, 10 to 15 mils of rain. So yeah, we're going to bail that and just get home or back to our house so we can clean it all up for renters the week after. Oh well, that was a lovely get fucking rained on scenario. Kel's in there working. Hi.
You okay?
I got rained on. It rained on hard. There wasn't even any rain clouds around. I still got rained on.
You literally left and it was like, oh yeah, that's all good. And then like, it just started.
Oh man.
Like, oh fuck.
Oh well, this morning we last time we back up for a while and travel a few k's, which is going to be probably to help you.
Yeah. Really just not playing the game.
Don't trust this thing. We got rained on most of the night and a little break in the weather now. It's nearly it's 6:45. So yeah, we're just going to quickly pack up. So yeah, I can only imagine with all this weather down the southwest coast sort of thing, we're going to probably get southwesterly winds most of the way home. It's not too bad. It's slow and steady. Yeah, just
Motto.
it's that motto, yeah, slow and steady. And just hoping that tyre underneath there holds together. Look to the horizon. Death awaits you there. It's a famous saying.
Yeah. It's
I can't remember who said it. But,
bit dark.
It's pretty dark. With darkness, you get darkness. We're less than 90 k's out of getting back to our house, I guess. Home for a few days. We were just saying before, it's weird we're going back towards home, but we're not going back to work.
To properly pack up and move out.
Yeah. So
Seems a bit backwards.
it seems weird. It's totally weird. Usually this point of a trip, you'd be like, oh, I gotta go to work like in a few days or whatever. But not yet anyway. Sweet. We're back in the backyard. Everything made it. Tyre hung on there, just. It'd be interesting to see what the alignment is on it. Because I kicked it back totally the opposite way, so I think the damage had already been done by the time I'd realised. But anyway, made it home. So yeah, I'm giving away the old tinny. I decided I've had it for a few years. I only paid a few $100s for it back in the day. Gave it a paint job and spruced her up a little bit. I've got a 3.6 Quintrex Wanderer. It's virtually brand new, still second hand. I picked that up within the next week or so. About the same weight, a little bit, about 3 or 4 kilos heavier, but it's just, they're a lot stable. They got like casting deck on them. All the tinny's gone, so I just gave it away to a young fella who'll put it to pretty good use, I reckon. He's just going to dig up an old motor. Yeah, he's just going to chuck it on top of a trailer and cart it around, and that'd be awesome. First boat, so yeah, that feels good. I've got to set the barbecue up, and I'm going to got a T-bone here. It's absolutely massive. I'm going to try and do it on the rotisserie, which I'm not too sure if that's going to work yet or not. Holy shit. How's that for a T-bone? He's massive. He's so big. Yeah, just pretty basic. Just a bit of pepper. Salt, a bit of everything rub, nothing too crazy. That's away. Boom. What do you think about that, Kelly?
Holy shit. That thing's huge.
That's a 2 kilo T-bone getting rotisserified. Is that a word?
Is that a word?
Yeah.
Rotisserated?
Rotisserated.
Rotisserie?
Yeah.
Thanks, Cliff.
Thanks, Cliff. That was
Best
awesome.
40th birthday present ever.
Yeah, that is awesome. Cheers to
End of week 7.
week 7. Holy shit.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good.
So fucking cold though.
Yeah. I've just got to get the old thermometer onto it.
Oh, the old?
The new
The
thermometer,
new thermometer.
which is just charging. It's a wireless meat thermometer. Oh, it turns on when you jobbo it out. What? Inkbird. And we'll just jam this sucker in there. Yeah, got about a bit of 57 going on there, 59. It's pretty close. So it's pretty much ready. Internal temp in the middle there is about 60 degrees, and definitely the outside bits here will be well done. So yeah, lovely.